Using Monday.com groups is an effective way to organize and manage teams, projects, and workflows. This tutorial will guide you through the benefits and best practices of utilizing Monday.com groups. First, let's define what Monday.com groups are. Groups are a way to categorize and organize items, such as users, items, or boards, to simplify management and collaboration. By creating groups, you can assign permissions, automate workflows, and track progress in a more efficient manner. To create a group, navigate to the Settings menu and click on Groups. Then, click on the New Group button and enter a name and description for your group. You can add users, boards, or items to the group by selecting them from the drop-down menu. One of the key benefits of using Monday.com groups is improved collaboration. By assigning users to a group, you can control what they can see and do within the platform. For example, you can create a group for a specific project and add all the team members working on that project. This way, they can access all the relevant boards and items without having to navigate through the entire platform. Another benefit of using groups is automated workflows. You can create custom workflows that trigger actions when a certain condition is met within a group. For instance, you can set up a workflow that sends a notification to a group when a new item is added to a board. Best practices for using Monday.com groups include keeping your groups organized and up to date. Regularly review your groups and remove any unnecessary items or users. It's also essential to use clear and descriptive names for your groups to avoid confusion. In addition, you can use groups to track progress and performance. By creating a group for a specific department or team, you can monitor their progress and identify areas for improvement. You can also use groups to set goals and objectives, and track progress towards achieving them. In conclusion, using Monday.com groups is an effective way to streamline collaboration, automate workflows, and track progress. By following the best practices outlined in this tutorial, you can get the most out of Monday.com groups and improve your team's productivity and efficiency.